In front of you, I picked up this new Ryobi compact 4.5-inch disc saw from Home Depot today on Black Friday 2025. This saw is at a great value at $49.88. So this is what the box looks like. It was one of 6 units that was available at my local Home Depot. Here's the side. Here's the back of all the details. So you can pause and zoom in if you want the details. So again, this is a 4.5-inch disc saw. Comes with one disc with 24 teeth and one battery that's included. It's a 2.0 amp hour battery with a very basic charger. Then this is what the side looks like. Okay, so Ryobi is saying the MSRP is $160, and today the sale was $49.88. This is November of 2025 as of this filming. Okay, let's open this box up and see what we get. Let's go. Okay, so you're seeing the contents of the box. As usual, we have the instructions and warranty information. So I'll go over that later. I'll put this on the side. And first off, we have, well, let's bring this out. We have the charger. All right, so this looks like the very basic charger. I'm not going to expect it to charge too fast. Looks pretty basic. You can always upgrade later and buy into their better chargers and the bigger batteries if you need it. Next, we have the battery that's included. This is 2 amp hours. The battery's a little small. Once I get a feel for this tool, I might move up to the 4 amp hour battery. I think that's more reasonable for a cutting tool, just for more power, more torque. So here's the battery. This is 18 volt, right? Lithium, your standard Ryobi 18 volt battery. And of course, we save the best for the last. Here is the tool. Here's your Ryobi tool. Let me get all this cardboard out of the way. There we go. Seems to have the safety. This shield is made of plastic. I kind of expected that for this at this cost point. Ryobi is not really a professional tool. It's more of a light duty or more of a DIY tool. So the guide is metal, and we have a angle changer, as you can see, and we have a hex for the change out of the blade, and we have the battery connector at the end. So it would be like this. So it's pretty hefty in my hands. Feels like a good maybe 5 pounds with the battery. All right, so this is what it looks like from the top angle. And it looks like the hex key has a slot, so you won't lose that hex key all the time. So that's a nice little place for it. And lastly, we have the included blade. This is 4.5 inch. Looks like this is a Ryobi branded blade with 24 teeth. Maximum 8,000 RPM. So there you have it. This is a quick unboxing of the Ryobi 4.5 inch 18-volt circular saw. There you have it. Let me know in the comments what you think. This is a early model, one of the earliest that was available. And let me know if you want me to do more details into this tool. Have a happy holidays, guys. See you on the next video. Remember to share, subscribe, and let your friends know. And give a thumbs up to this video so I can make more videos for you guys.